Let's learn our vocabulary words that start with letter H. We'll begin with knock knock. Who is it? Height. Height. Height starts with letter H. Height is the measurement of how tall something is or how short something is. We can find the height of a person by measuring them from head to foot. Height. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? House. House. House starts with letter H. A house is a form of shelter where people live. Just like in this picture, there are so many different types of houses found all over the world. House. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Heat. Heat. Heat starts with letter H. Heat is the transfer of warm temperature from one object to another object. When there's heat on something, it feels hot.
Uh-oh.
Heat. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Honey. Honey. Honey starts with letter H. Honey is a sweet, sticky, and yellowish substance that is formed from bees when they collect nectar from flowers. Honey. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Hexagon. Hexagon. Hexagon starts with letter H. A hexagon is a shape with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides and 6 angles. It resembles a beehive. We can sing. This is a hexagon, this is a hexagon. How can you tell? How can you tell? It has 6 sides. It looks like a beehive. It's a hexagon. It's a hexagon. Hexagon. We have one more. Knock knock. Who is it? Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus starts with letter H. A hippopotamus is a large, thick-skinned, semi-aquatic mammal from Africa. The hippopotamus has massive jaws and tusks.
Yeah.
Hippopotamus. Height, house, heat, honey, hexagon, and hippopotamus all start with letter H. Let's clean up our vocabulary cards by putting them back in our basket. Bye bye hippopotamus. Bye bye hippopotamus. Bye bye hexagon. Bye bye hexagon. Bye bye honey. Bye bye honey. We'll see you again next time. Bye bye heat. Bye bye heat. Bye bye house. Bye bye house. Bye bye height. Bye bye height. We'll see you again next time.